Hey, what's up? Finally, we have unboxing and review of Amazfit GTR on Tech Brothers YouTube channel. I know, we are a little late with review, and most likely you already watched many other videos about this watch and perhaps even bought it, but I hope you are still interested in our review and opinion about Amazfit GTR. We made preview video about this watch and said that it is not real smartwatch. I still believe that it is not smartwatch because it doesn't have operating system, SIM and app support, as well as microphone and speaker for calls. However, Amazfit GTR has many other useful features such as longer battery life, AMOLED screen, sport modes, music control, etc. As usual, let's start with unboxing and then look at design, functions, mobile app. I want to recall that in description you can find useful information about Amazfit GTR and the links where you can buy the watch cheaper. I have a global version of Amazfit GTR because all the inscriptions on the box are in English, not Chinese. There are the main features of the watch on the front side of the box, such as AMOLED display, continuous heart rate, water resistance to 50 meters, etc. The sticker on the back says that I have 42mm version. I want to recall that Amazfit GTR is also available in 47mm version. On the back you can read the specifications of the watch, battery capacity, wireless connectivity and other. Opening the box, we can see the dial of the watch. Don't worry, the watch is off, it is just a sticker on display. Let's take off the sticker. Also, the package contents include user manual in different languages such as English, Spanish, Russian, etc. and charging base. That's all. It's time to take a closer look at design of Amazfit GTR. As I already said, I have 42mm version of Amazfit GTR. It differs from 47mm version by not only size and specifications, but also color options. The dimensions of 42mm version is 42.6 by 42.6 by 9.2mm. The weight is about 25 grams. It's a really compact and lightweight watch. For example, the weight of Xiaomi Mi Band 4 is 22 grams. As you can see, I have fully black watch, black dial and black strap. This version is called Starry Black. It seems that the bezel and button on the right are made of stainless steel, but the strap is silicone. By the way, the strap width is 20mm. In the description under the video I will leave the link to official Amazfit website with comparison of 42 and 47mm version of Amazfit GTR. The strap is very good quality and it is easy to remove. All you need to do to remove the strap is to pull this thing. There are two physical buttons on the right side of the watch. This one is power button. Also, you can press it to return to the main dial. The second button is used to quick access to sport mode or other functions. You can assign any functions to this button. I will show you how to do this later. The back of Amazfit GTR is made of plastic. Here you can see heart rate sensor and two charging connectors. Talking about display, it has a diagonal of 1.2 inches and 390 by 390 pixels resolution. The pixel density is 326 ppi. This is AMOLED panel and it is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Even though it is AMOLED panel, the screen is not very visible in direct sunlight, even at maximum screen brightness. In general, I like the design of Amazfit GTR. Yes, it has silicone strap, not leather like 47mm version, but it is more compact and lightweight. I think the weight of the watch is very important to many people. Okay, we have talked about design, so now let's look at functions of Amazfit GTR. Before using the watch, you need to scan QR code and install application on your phone. The app is called Amazfit. We will talk about it later. The main watch face of Amazfit GTR looks like this. There are hands on the screen, but of course they are not real. Amazfit GTR has many watch faces, more than 100. You just need to press and hold on the main screen to change the watch face. By the way, Amazfit GTR has always on display. You can enable it in settings menu. It is a really useful function. The watch has a quick settings menu. Here you can see Bluetooth connection, battery level and date. Also, there are following functions: flashlight, brightness, do not disturb mode, battery saver mode, and log. Swipe to the left allows to see the number of steps, distance, calories and heart rate. The main menu is opened by swipe up from the main screen. Here you can find status, heart rate, workout, activities, weather, music, notifications, alarm, event reminder, more and settings. Amazfit GTR has many sport modes, such as running, walking, cycling, swimming, and many other. The watch has built-in GPS, so it is tracking your location, which is very important for running. As for the music, Amazfit GTR doesn't have built-in memory, so you cannot download music on the watch. You can only control the music on a connected phone. Click on More to use compass, timer, countdown, and find phone. The settings menu provides following functions: watch faces, screen-on-duration. By the way, the maximum screen-on-duration is 15 seconds. Using the quick startup, you can assign the function on the second button. You can choose status, heart rate, sport mode, weather, notifications, etc. When somebody calls on your phone, there is a contact name. Take or reject the call on the watch screen. The notifications look like this. Here is the app, contact name, and the text of notification. Amazfit GTR is connected to smartphone via Bluetooth 5.0 technology. The watch uses its own Amazfit Watch App, not Mi Fit, like many other Xiaomi wearable devices. Amazfit app is very similar to Mi Fit. It has a different interface, but the functions are the same. There are 4 tabs on the top: status, walking, running, and cycling. On the status tab, you can see steps, sleep time, heart rate, weight, and your activity. Also, you can go to Profile and click on Amazfit GTR to see more functions. The watch face settings menu has many watch faces, and you can choose any of them. You can enable incoming call, add event reminder, watch alarm, app notifications, etc. Finally, I want to show you heart rate settings. You can choose heart rate detection method, automatic, sleep assistant, automatic and sleep assistant, or just turn off. Also, you can change the detection frequency, activity detection, heart rate alert, and alert value. Finally, let's talk about the battery. I won't stop too much on this, because I use Amazfit GTR only one day. According to the manufacturer, the new watch from Amazfit has 12 days of battery life in typical usage scenario, 34 days in basic watch mode, and 22 hours with the GPS continuously on. I think Amazfit GTR has very good battery life. By the way, the battery capacity of a 42mm version is 195 mAh. 47mm version has 410 mAh battery and 2 times longer battery life, about 24 days. Honestly, I have mixed impression of Amazfit GTR. From one side, it has high-quality build, premium-looking design, many useful functions and longer battery life. However, this is not real smartwatch, because you cannot use Google Maps, you cannot make or receive calls on this watch, you cannot even download music on the watch and listen to it without smartphone. Do you know what I am talking about? You need to take the phone with you all the time to listen to music while running. I don't like to take my phone with me while jogging. It's not convenient. A real smartwatch solves this problem, but not a Amazfit GTR. For $140, you can buy a real smartwatch. Yes, it has only 1 day of battery life, but it allows you to make calls, listen to music from internal memory, surf the internet, and install Android apps. Amazfit GTR cannot do this all. What do you think about Amazfit GTR? Would you buy this watch? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.